In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot to Outlook. Integrating HubSpot with your Outlook can streamline your communications and help you manage your contacts more efficiently. So let's get started with a simple process. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in HubSpot CRM and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results. You're looking for the link that says HubSpot CRM software. When you found it, go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the HubSpot website where you can learn more about the CRM if you're curious, or get started with the installation process. Once on the HubSpot homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Started Free. Clicking on this will guide you through the initial setup. Now, if you already have a HubSpot account, this is a great time to either create a new account if needed or sign into your existing one. Once you're sorted with the accounts, choose the option to continue with your selected user. If there are any other prompts about continuing with a specific account, make sure to follow those through. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, look for the Marketplace option on the HubSpot interface. Clicking on this will take you to a variety of add-ons and integrations available for your HubSpot account. Navigate around until you find the HubSpot Marketplace link and give it a click. From here, you'll want to use the search function. Type in Outlook and hit search to bring up the relevant results. When you see the Outlook option, go ahead and select it. Now that you're in the right place to install, you'll see the Install button. Clicking it will begin the integration process. If this is your first time doing this, rest assured, it's a straightforward procedure. Following this, select the HubSpot Sales option from the list that appears. At this stage, you'll notice the Get It Now button, which you must click to proceed with the installation. Now over to your Outlook application. Open it up and make sure you're signed in. This is the final step where you connect Outlook with HubSpot, bringing all the functionalities together. Make sure to double check that everything is synced properly. You may need to restart Outlook for all features to come into effect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added HubSpot to your Outlook account. This integration will make managing your communications and contacts more seamless, enhancing your productivity. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your tools and software.